Okay, obviously not complete yet, but here is the 75% complete button box of Doom here. As you can see, the buttons are backlit for added awesomeness. And each button, as well as playing a sound effect, will begin the countdown timer for each corresponding side. Now if you release the button, it resets. So you must be diligent.
No one has ever done that! No one has ever done that!
Yes. Now if at all possible, you can actually hold down all four.
Hello!
Which I'm going to use the assistance of Mr. Stapler here.